How to unbox Xbox Series S controller without breaking the box. First of all, what you're going to want to do is look for the sticker that should be on the top part or bottom part of the box. For me, it's on the bottom part there, so you can see the little plastic and glue sticker. That one you're going to want to be very careful with. Make sure you only just pull it gently off. Make sure it's put off correctly like this, because what's going to happen is that this part where the sticker is, as you can see right here, once you gently put that off and make sure you don't rip it, it's going to be able to pull back the inside of the Xbox Series S controller box, and in there you're going to be able to see all the items that are in it. You have like the manuals, etc. inside of the little box compartment there. And then you're going to see like the little container case right there, and then you're going to have the actual Xbox Series S controller in there. If you open it like this, you'll be able to return it, and that should fix any issues that you have. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.